Hello everyone, and today we're in a quiet little town, although it's a little bit empty. So how about I bring cute little citizens called Hatchimals? We've got today about 3 citizens, and now let's open this package of Hatchimals first. And here are 2 of our little Hatchimals eggs, and let's crack them open, of course. Let's see what is our Hatchimal inside. As long as we will open it. Here it is. It is a cute little pink zebra with adorable little white wings, or silver glittery wings. Here is the whole entire checklist, and another side of it which actually shows who we collected. We showed it here, and now let's open the second egg, which we have inside. Let's see actually. Oh my! We do have something small. Oh, here it is. It is a cute little bird. Orange bird, which is ultra rare, which I'm quite surprised. So the little parrot over here is called Parrot, and the zebra is called ZBrush. Yes, these are quite awesome names, so I could say. Let's go somewhere. Let's be over here. Sure. And now, onto our next little pack. This Hatchimals pack. Let's open it. It is the Royal Hatch series, and I quite see why we call it like that. No, literally. These eggs are awesome. And now, let's open them. Oh my, I see. Already. Is this another zebra? Yes, it is another zebra with something else. I'm not sure what is this, but it looks like a hat or a pacifier. Or a little accessory at least. Let's remove the eggs and hatch this one. And here we'll open the egg. Oh, it is actually another Hatchimal. I thought it was another hat. I'm not sure why. Anywho, here is the amazing little Hatchimal. It is a cute little kitty, I think. Let's see now. And these are our adorable little villagers that we've gotten today. Or just, citizens. And I hope you like them as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye!